Thank you for making an appointment and choosing Sanderson Ford Quicklane as your servicing dealer. We're excited to see you and want to set your visit expectations so we can ultimately exceed them. The Sanderson Ford Quicklane specializes in maintenance service such as oil changes, tire rotations, and other preventative maintenance services. When you arrive to our Maryland Avenue Service Center and Quicklane for your set appointment, please pull into our service drive area. Your name will be prominently displayed on our video monitors, and our team will be ready to assist you. Preventative maintenance for your vehicle is very important, and the Sanderson Ford Quicklane only employs certified Ford technicians who know your vehicle. Most services performed by the Quicklane can professionally be completed within a 90-minute period. However, some items that are more complex may take longer. If you are waiting for your service, please enjoy our comfortable waiting room. Or if you're hungry, please check out our Starliner Diner, which serves breakfast and lunch with a little 50s vibe. Thank you for choosing Sanderson Ford Quicklane. Sanderson Ford is America's most awarded Ford dealership for customer service. Sanderson Ford, the dealership that's service built.